What's up, core crew? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Courtney Janine, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, it's another headband wig. I am super excited because this is actually the longest unit I've ever tried. The hair was sent to me from Beauty Forever on AliExpress, so thank you so much to Beauty Forever for sending me this unit so that I can try it out for you guys and let you all know about their headband wig. So let's go ahead and unbox this together. I took out the wig and washed it because it did have that hair smell, so I just washed it with some Aussie shampoo. And yeah, so the packaging is really nice. I love this so much. And on the back it tells you how to maintain your human hair wigs, how to measure your wig, so that's super cool in order for you to make sure that your wigs last the longest, or as long as they possibly can if you take care of them correctly. So when you open it up, here's the wig. We'll get into this later, but I really wanted to show you all that comes with this. I believe you always get headbands with your purchase, so that's really nice. But this is the first one, super cute. Here's another one. I'm super excited about one of these headbands in here. It's not this one, but it's coming up. But this one, super cute. It came with another floral one. With this one, so we're gonna try on all of these headbands. How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then y'all, it came with a wig cap, so I'm actually gonna put this on under my wig fix. And then it also came with this type of headband. So this is the little bejeweled ones. I've always seen people wear this and I've always wanted to try it, so I'm super excited that I got it. So I can't wait to try that on. But let me just go ahead and put on a wig cap because you know the drill. But yeah, this is a loose wave, I believe. I'll double check and it will be linked down in the description box. But it's a loose wave and it's 26 inches, so I am super excited to try this out. Comes with this, comes with a little hairnet, which is usual. And then here's the hair, super long. So I feel like the longer your headband unit is, the more kind of styles you can do, just because you have more hair, so you can because if you have a short hair wig, you really can't do a bun like that. I'm about to just attach this really quickly. All right, so here is the headband wig. I'm just gonna move back my Stitch Fix just a smidge. Not the Stitch Fix, the wig fix just a smidge, just because don't want it to show. But you guys, the wig fix, I use it on so many different wigs. I use it on my headband wigs, I use it on my lace wigs, bang wigs, whatever, just because it helps for the wig to be secure. This unit does come with combs in the top, in the back, and the side, and it comes with an adjustable strap and also the Velcro headband. So yeah, this is the hair, you guys. Super full, super natural at the same time. So yeah, even though it's super long, it still looks like this could be my hair. Let me just touch up my edges real quick, and then I will do a headband try on, show you all a couple styles, and then give you all my final thoughts on this unit.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just joshing, I'm spending this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone.
Alright, so I'm super excited about this one. So let's try on this headband first. Ooh, it's I don't know why I thought that this headband would be really hard, but it's not hard. It's super it's super stretchy, because I guess I have a big head, I don't know. This is super cute. If I was to wear this out though, I would just fold back the headband, the attached headband, just so that it doesn't show. But this is super cute. It's giving me Gossip Girl, Bel-Air, Waldorf vibes. I'm in New York City. I go to a prep school, period. Yeah, I love this. This is super cute.
This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. Told Pooh he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine at Vincenzo's. Me and my amigos got that free smoke on the west coast. Yeah, I'm talking about pre-rolls. Dark hair bitch, she look like she go. She do. Hometown hero, feeling myself.
That's it for this one. Let's try on the next headband. These I'm not like that one I was really excited, so let's just see what these are hitting for. Like I said in like my other headband reviews, honestly you guys, I typically, when I'm wearing these headband wigs, I typically just go for the headband that's attached, just because I'm most likely wearing black, and everything type of goes with black. But just so you guys can see what the headbands will look like, or what your wig will look like when you want to use attached headbands, or if you want to use another headband.
Can't murder my ego. She heard my deep stroke. She said, babe, does it hurt when I deep though? Certified freak hoe, hang around dust and she learning my lingo. Back then, wasn't worried about me though. In the gym, trying to work on my free throw. Goddamn. Spending money at the club like Sam.
Ooh, no, y'all. The headband just fell into my daggone powder. I am going to show you all some different styles that you can do. I did this once. Like a style, how to style a headband wig with like a kinky straight one, but I think just because this is a different texture, some of the hairstyles will look different. This is the first one that I actually absolutely love to do. It's just like a flip over type of method. It just looks so cute, so effortless, and it doesn't take long at all. I also really love to do a half up, half down. It just looks so pretty, so effortless. With this though, you just have to make sure that you adjust the headband when doing so. But oh my gosh, it's so cute. So this is another style. This is like one of my faves. You can go from this to a top knot, which is super cute. I used to love this. I think I put too much hair at the top, but I really do love like this type of look. All right, you guys, so now that I showed you all some of the headbands, some styles that you can do, let's get into my final thoughts on this unit. You all know I'm a changed woman when it comes to headband wigs. I'm literally obsessed. I love trying different lengths. I love trying different textures, because each one gives you a different type of look, a different type of style, but two main things stay the same. It's super easy to apply, and also it's super natural looking. Like, I love this look. This is like my go-to texture. It's super cute. I really like this one. It is super long because it is 26 inches, but your girl loves length, especially when I'm going on vacation or things like that, especially in the summer. You want to just look effortless, and this wig is a must. I love this so much. Let me know down in the comments, have you tried a headband wig? If so, let me know your thoughts. If not, you guys definitely consider looking into Beauty for Head hair. They're super affordable, and they have a number of different textures. If this isn't the texture for you, they do have other textures that you can look into and try out for yourself. In the description box, I will have links to it, so that you can shop this look if you would like. And yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you made it this far, definitely give it a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below, and make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just joshing. I'ma spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top.